Hello. What if you are asked to solve this expression without the use of calculator? What will you do first? Now, you should know that 8 to the power of 8 can be difficult finding without a calculator. So the best thing to use is to see how you can use algebraic expression in solving this. Join me as we use that in solving this expression. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more. Now, in the use of algebraic expression, I want you to note one thing, that I can now break up 8 to be equal to 2 to the power of 3, right? 8 can be equal to 2 to the power of 3. So that expression, with that in mind, will now give me 2 to the power of 3 all to the bracket, all to the power of 8 minus 88, and this will give me what results. Now, looking at that expression very well, I can now apply one certain law of indices. Remember, if you have a to the power of x multiplying the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x and what? And y, right? So if I have that expression, I can simply break out this to now give me 2 to the power of 3 multiplying 8, and this will be minus 88, while this is equal to what will our result be? Now let's look at, in the next step, 8 times 3 is going to give us 24, right? So we'll have 24 minus 88, and that will be equal to what? Now, what do we do from here? Can we easily find 24 to the power of 28? That is also rare and difficult. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break up that. So if I'm given 24, 24 can be equal to 20 plus 4. So I'm going to make it in such a way that I'll have the powers of 10, which can easily make it what? Evaluatable. Now let's look at that. If we look at that, I can now have this to be 2 to the power of 20 plus 4 minus 88, and this will be equal to what? Great. Now, according to the law of indices, I can expand this. If I expand that, remember, if you have a to the power of x plus y, this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplying a to the power of y, right? So if we have that, we can expand that to give us 2 to the power of 20 multiplying 2 to the power of 4 according to the laws of indices, and this will be minus 88, and this will be equal to what? What will our solution be? Now let's look at that. We're going to simplify that in the next step. Now, if we simplify that, I'm going to still break up 20. 20 can still give me 10 times 2, right? So this will be 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2. Remember, I want to take it to the powers of 10 so that it can be easily evaluated. 8, 8, and this will be equal to what? Now, from the laws of indices, we can expand these two. Remember, 2 to the power of 10 is easier. Remember, 2 to the power of 10 will give us 1024. All pupils or all students knows that. And this will be to the power of 2. Multiplying 2 to the power of 4 is 16, right? Minus 88. And this will be equal to what? Now, from this expression, I can simply expand further. Now, what do I expand? This is 1024. 1024 can simply give me 1000 to the nearest thousands plus 24, right? That will be equal to 1024, right? So I'll expand that to give me 1000 plus 24 all squared multiplied by 16 minus 88, and this will be equal to what? Right? Good. So if we have that now, I can easily expand because that looks like an algebraic expression. Now recall this algebraic expression. If I have a plus b squared, you simply knows what it can give me. This will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? In this expression, my a is 1000 and my b is equal to 24. So if I expand that, I'm going to have that expression to now give me 1000 square, which I can easily expand, plus 24 square, which I can also easily expand plus 2 times 1000 multiplied by 24, and all this will be multiplying 16 minus 88, and this will be equal to what? Right? So if I can easily expand this, this is going to give me 1 million, right? This is going to give me 1 million 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 24 can easily be expanded. 24 square is going to give me 24 times 24, which is going to give me plus 576, right? Plus 2 times 24 will give me 48. 48 times 1000 will give me 48,000, right? And all of these will be multiplying. All of these will be multiplying. I want to expand this. This will be multiplying 10 plus 6 in the powers of 10, so that I can easily expand them, and this will be equal to what? Now remember, we are solving this without the use of calculator. So if I expand this, I'm going to have that solution. Add up all this with this. This is unit, tens, 100. All of them will enter here. So I'll have 4 8. I'll have 6 7 5 in the whole tens, in the hundreds, which is what? Which is all 0. Then I'll have my what? My 4 8, which is 4 8. Then I'll have my what? My 0, and then what? And 1. Right? All of these will be multiplying 10 plus 6, and this will be minus 88, and this is going to give us what? So from here we can see that this can multiply this, and this can also multiply this. So we're going to have that expression to be 1048,576 multiplying 10 plus 1048,576 multiplying 6, and all of these will be subtracting 88, and that will give us our solution. Great. Now in the next step, what we'll do is to multiply this. In this case, we'll just add 100 to this because it's multiplying a 10. So we'll have 1048,576 and 0 plus 6 times 6 is going to give us 36. You write 6, and then you carry over 3. 6 times 7 is going to give you 42 plus 3, and that will give us 45. You write 5, and you carry 4. Then 5 times 6 is going to give us 30 plus 4, 34. You write 4, you carry 3, and once we do all that, we'll have 192 and then we'll have what? 6. And this will be minus 88. This is going to give us what? Now let's add this. If we add this, we're going to have that expression to give us 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 5 is going to give us 11. We'll take 1. We'll carry over 1. 6 plus 4 is going to give us 11 plus 1. That will give us 12, right? If we do that way, we're going to have 7, 7, right? And we are going to have 7 here. And after that, we'll have 1 and what? And 6. And this will be subtracting 88. And this is going to give us what? If we subtract this, having gotten this minus this, 216, because this is in tens, while this is in hundred. So we'll take 216 subtracting 88. That's the numbers we have. This is going to give us what? Plus 1. That is going to give us 16, while this becomes 0. 16 minus 8 is going to give us 8, right? While this is 0, we'll take 1 to make it 10. 10 minus 8 will give us 2, right? While this will remain 1. So we're going to have that expression to now give us what? 1, 6, 7, 7, 7, 1, 2, 8, right? And that is the solution to that expression. 16 what? 16,777,128 will be the solution to that expression given to us up there. So you see, without the use of calculator, by using algebraic expression, we can find the solution to that maths problem given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.